This is the Mek 3D THT AOI, which is inspecting from the bottom side. The system does inspection from the bottom up. This means a board flipper is not required. The SpectorBOX X is a modular AOI, which is integrated into third-party integrations, such as these. The SpectorBOX X is able to inspect solder volumes, pin height, circumferential pad coverage, solder holes, and short detection. The system is able to inspect boards up to 550 by 550 millimeters. Defect can be clearly seen in 3D. This is an example of a shorting defect. Looking at other defects, we can zoom in and rotate the image to visualize the defect. The Mek THT 3D AOI has a very high image quality. We can height colorize the image to give the user a quick understanding of the solder profile on the PCB. Here we are running an inspection. The system uses 4 Moiré projectors. These projectors are also RGB, so they give a full-color 3D image. There is a large 100mm clearance between the camera head and the PCB. Results are shown at the end of the inspection. The user can then classify the defects and manipulate the image to understand the defects shown. The Mek 3D THT AOI runs on Windows 10 or 11. The SpectorBOX X is designed to be used after selective or wave solder. The SpectorBOX X is optimized for THT inspection, but is also able to inspect SMT.